Everyone, look, we have to show you today how to what's going on now. Here is you can see we want to show you how many people are. How do you see if you have visitors from Google News? So what you click here, and scroll down here. You go to analytics, you can see all these pages, but now you can see there's one person on news.google.com. so simply means you have one person from Google News. So that simply means one of your articles have been selected and displayed in Google News. And if this person goes away, so what's gonna happen, they're gonna show you also that they're gonna show that that person has gone. So if we're on the computer, we're gonna be able to click on each and every link, then you see where that person come from. So you can see organic referrals, and also you scroll down here, you can see the countries which are visiting. Then let me see, click on referrals. It's unclickable on the phone, but on the computer you can click and see which page this person on. So if you can see which page the person on, it will give you a clue which article was selected from your website. You can see I have only 8 people. So there is richest clubs, Bidat Kama, Kaiser Chiefs, top goal scorers 2019-2020, and also APSA Premier League, also Kama Bidat. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 people there. They come on and go. This graph shows you how many people are on desktop and also how many are on mobile. So lucky enough, somebody who came from Google News.com is still there. It will be news.google.com. So if we get somebody from a different referral, it's gonna show us. So that's why you saw here referrals down here. There's one person. That's the person we see here. You can see that's the person we can see there. So that person show you that he's from that. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. You log in using your use your Google Analytics, then you scroll down. But now I'm on the phone, but also on your internet website you're gonna see it. So you can see now that person is gone. We can't see that person anymore. No, he's here. He's still here up. So but what I'm trying to say, log in using your analytics. Once you on your analytics, it's gonna show you which you click on that link, this one, then it's gonna show you which news was selected. Guys, that's what I was trying to share with you today, that one of my articles were selected by Google. So one person visited from Google News. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.